Hey there, all you lovely language learners! Welcome to How to Say It in Korean. I'm Jongha. Today, let's learn how to say "Oh, I'm tired" in Korean. As always, there are a few different ways to say this phrase in Korean. So I will help you get familiar with one of the most common ways, which is pigonhae. Let's first practice the pronunciation of pigonhae. 피곤해요. 피곤해요. 피곤해요 is a form of the Korean verb 피곤하다. 피곤하다 means to be tired or sleepy. If you're just a little bit tired, you can add the word 조금 or 좀 before 피곤해요. 조금 means a little, and the short form of 조금 is 좀. So you can say 조금 피곤해요. Or 좀 피곤해요. I'm a little tired. Now that you know how to say I'm tired in Korean, get out there and use it when you're just too tired to keep studying. If you're interested in learning more Korean using a fun and easy method, visit us at 90daykorean.com to get more great Korean lessons. Thanks for watching. 피곤해요.